So I recently ordered some ink from easyink.com. I am an affiliate and I'm going to put a code down below. I believe it's 10% that you can save by using that code, and I'll make a little on it. This has the ink for the ET2850. There's the Epsons that they have a lot of different ink things that can use the same kit. So I'm going to push this little tray in so I got a little more room. I'm working in an area that I'm not used to being in. So they sent 4 packs of gloves. I didn't know what this was. So I opened one. So you got gloves to use while you're doing your inking or putting your ink in. I ordered it and it was here in 2 days. So the other place that I've been using for years with this particular bottled ink is taken a couple of weeks to get to me. So I was really shocked that this was here in 2 days. Let me grab some scissors. I'm not used to working in this area over here, so I'm hoping the video is halfway good. So you get a black, I'm not sure what size it is. Does it say on the bottom? High yield, so I'm not sure the size. You get the Cyan, the Magenta, and the yellow. And this is usually pretty easy to do on the Epson EcoTank. So when you get ready to put the ink in here, on this one it has an LCD panel. You go and you click this button to the right and you go to maintenance. Hit OK and you hit the button to the right and you just keep going. Fill ink and hit OK. Then it says safety and usage precautions and proceed. Hit OK. Check how to and fill the ink tank to the upper line. So you can get directions, but what I do, open that up and I open this. You can start with any color you want. So just in case, I usually haven't had any problems, but I took the top off, and when I did, it did open it all the way, so be careful. So just take the cap off, open this where it says black, and stick it in. And then it's filling up. I don't know, can you see this going up right there? Usually I hear it, but this time I'm not hearing it, but it's going up. And once it gets all the way to the top of the panel, so see it's slowly filling up. So now it's up to this line, so it's full. You just pop this off, put the lid back on, and this bottle is still half full. Feels like it's about right there, maybe not quite half. So then just close this one up, and then you go with the yellow. So I'm doing the yellow. Hold this bottom part right there and twist the cap off. And if you look, it has a stopper in it, and once you drop it down in here, it will open up this hole and let it suction down. I can hear that one going down. Can you hear it? Yeah. I love my EcoTank because I get so much printed out from it, and it does a really good job. I had a brother, and that used a lot of ink. It seemed like I was putting ink in it constantly. With these bottles, it's perfect. It's just right. I mean, I just order them. I've got these 2 boxes. So I got 2 boxes for less than $50, which included shipping. And this is the refill ink bottles. the Vivid and Bright High Yield. And so now we're up at the line here, so we're going to do the same thing, even though there's still some in there. Just pull it out, put the cap back on, close it, and then we're going to go with the Magenta, and I'm going to hold this bottom part too because I don't want it coming open right there. You see, there's the hole. I'm glad I don't do a lot of looking through the camera to talk to y'all because I'd be in trouble. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it, hold on just a second, let me see if I can get you over here. So see right there, that is where I'm going to, right here is where I'm going to stick this in. It just fits in there. And if you do it like I do, and you don't get it on there good, so you can see right here, it is going back up. I can hear it. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not. But as a junk journaler, save these little gloves because they will definitely come in handy when you're doing mixed media and stuff. Look back a little bit so I can see. So see how it's going down right here? These here are gloves. Come in neat little packs. Okay, so we're at the line right there, so it's stopped. It's not putting any more in. And again, I'm just doing the same thing. I keep these bottles because I go back and use them. See, these are some that I had before. And it's got a little bit in there, but I could add all these up. So this one's pretty full and it's got the blue, so I could actually just put it in there and not use the other one, just to get rid of that last little bit of blue. And it looks like there's enough in that bottle that it filled it all the way up, because I seem to use more yellow than I do any color. So I still got a little bit right here. So I'm just going to take this bottle and I'm going to hold on to it, and then next time I will take these and I'll use this one. I think I got another set, so I need to start using them. And you can see this one did a full refill. It's right here. This is the ones we did today. It's right there. So time you add all that together, you can get a full refill out of several of these bottles. Don't throw them away. So then just close that up. Okay, so when you get done, you close all these, make sure they're closed. Flip your little cap down, put that back down. And then you hit complete. It's asking for this arrow right here. Select the colors you refilled. So I'm going to do OK and hit the arrow button to the right. See right here? Hit OK. And then I'm going to do it again. So all four of the boxes are showing full. So then it says next on this one. So the OK is select and cancel. We don't want that one. We want the next. Is the ink filled up to the upper line? Yes. So we'd hit the OK button. Ink level is set. So then OK button means done. So now I can hit the home button right here and I'll go home. So that was how you refill the ink in your Epson EcoTanks. I think most of them are probably about the same procedures. Let me know what else you might be interested in learning about the Epson printer. And I'll be happy to try and do a video. These are different than what I usually do, but hey, I can always learn. It'd be great if you left me a comment, hit that like button, subscribe button, and let me know what kind of printer you have.